Okay, December 5th, 207, now Coronado. A little harder to see because of the sun and the mist from the waves, but ooh, big here too. That's what they call Pit Beach. These kids think they're gonna go surfing. They're gonna have a nice story to talk about at school today, but they're gonna get their ass beat. I doubt they'll make it outside, but you know, it'll impress the girls and the boys. Yeah, they won't make it past that white water. But good exercise. Shall we see how far they make it? Uh-oh. Yeah, watch this. They'll be in 10 minutes. It's big, there's no question about that. Alright guys, had enough yet? No, now they got peer pressure. They got all the kids on the beach watching. Oh, what happened? You couldn't make it out. That's alright, you gotta learn somehow. Okay, lull. If you're ever gonna make it, now's the time. Uh-oh. Wasn't really a lull. This is a big set. Ooh, that's a big set. Some shape to that one. There's another one. Whoa. Get my nice pants all wet. That ain't good. Look at that. High tide and big swell equals people who live on the beach being upset and sad. See how the kids are doing. Ooh, trash can floating away. Wasn't good urban planning. Okay, guys, well, at least A for effort. You know, like I said, at this point, it's just exercise. Alright, there you have it. Coronado, December 5th, 2007. Big Wednesday. Alright, see ya.